Introducing the Philips Digital Air Fryer HD9252/90 with touch panel. The Philips Digital Air Fryer comes with rapid air technology to grill, bake, roast and even reheat dishes. It features an easy-to-use digital touch panel with 7 present menus and a keep warm function. The air fryer enables users to cook food to crispy perfection with up to 90% less fat. Other functions include a 30 minutes timer with auto off, temperature control up to 200 degrees Celsius. The fryer comes with a 1.8 meter cord length for easy maneuverability. The black air fryer measures 35.5 by 35.5 by 33.8 centimeters and weighs 4.54 kilograms. It has a capacity of 4.1 liters and is easy to clean. The fryer has a cool wall exterior with a ready signal and power on indicator. The box includes the air fryer and a user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Today, I got my hands on the Philips Digital Air Fryer HD9252/90 and it has quite a lot of features that will pique your interest. This is a large air fryer and has a quite pleasing and aesthetic design. Watch through the entire video to know more about it, so let's get started. This air fryer has a sleek and stylish monotone design. It's made up of high quality materials and it's built to last. The touchscreen is easy to use. It should blend with any home decor pretty easily. The Philips air fryer comes with a specially curated booklet that includes a lot of recipes. The Philips Digital Air Fryer has a ton of culinary features, including cooking functions like fry, bake, grill, roast, toast, defrost, and keep warm modes. It comes with rapid air technology in a unique starfish design in the lower basket of the air fryer that enables 360-degree cooking that evenly cooks food, so no need to shake or flip the appliance during cooking. Also, the double-layer basket allows for the rapid air technology to work because the hot air circulates from all sides and it is easy to clean and serve since it is removable. Air fryer comes with a preset menu with set time and temperature settings, which is very helpful for beginners. I tried cooking a variety of foods like roasted chicken, fried chicken, fish fry, cupcakes, stir-fry vegetables and many more foods from the NutriU app, which has more than 500 air fryer recipes which have multi-cuisine food and also has tips and tricks on getting the most out of an air fryer. It also packs in some of the safety features that are worth noting. The auto shut-off function is a safety feature that turns off the air fryer when the basket is removed or the time expires. It is also dishwasher safe. This means that you don't have to worry about it malfunctioning anytime soon. The air fryer comes with 2 years of warranty. Philips Digital Air Fryer HD 925290 is the ideal purchase if you want to buy an air fryer that has an aesthetically pleasing design, packs in a lot of features and has a sturdy build as well. That's it for the video. See you guys in the next one.